Hello guys, welcome to Java Smart. My name is Pratap Singh, and in this tutorial we are going to learn a basic Spring program. So let's get started. So I have created this project, Java Dynamic project, and then I have added Spring dependencies. So these all are Spring dependencies. So I need only these jar files. You can see I have expression, core, context, bean, ASM, and these Apache commons. For logging we need commons. These jar file we need for simple Spring program, like basic Spring IOC program. So for that we need to create one XML file. I have created this XML file and I have added these schema and XSD I've added here. So these are the prerequisite. I think I have added some extra as well. We don't need that much, but let's keep it, no issue. So what we need to do, I want to create a class. So I have created this class employee. Inside that I want to write, like, I have a field named private string name. So I have name field in this class. So let me create getter and setter for this. Now let me create one more function, method, public void show. This will simply show the name field, just to print name field. I just want to print the name. So this way we have created a POSO, plain old Java, object. And here in the test class, the main class, the class which has main method, in this we need to create bean factory object. This is an interface and this is a implementing class, XML bean factory. There are so many implementation for this bean factory, like XML bean factory we have, and other we have, what else we have? Configurer bean factory. There are many. So what we need to do, we need to pass a class path resource in this. So the resource is the XML file. So I will explain it in more detail. So I have created this POSO. Now I need to create a bean of this POSO that we will create in this XML file. How we will create? Inside these beans tag, we have one bean tag, and we need to give the ID for this bean. ID is I'll give the name to it. Just a minute. First of all, let me get the class. So for which class we need to create a bean? Employee class. Employee. So I need to mention class employee, and then you can give ID as E. I think it's suitable. It won't create any confusion. And I need to close this bean. Let me save this. So this way I have declared a bean in configuration file, which is, what is this? employee class bean. Okay, so now I need to create this bean. So how we can create? We can create by using bean factory reference. Bean factory reference. How? This way. What I'll do? bf dot get bean. There's a method inside this get bean. What bean? I need to pass the ID. So ID is E. If I pass E, it will return me the employee class bean. Okay. This way we don't have to create manually the object of this employee class using new keyword. We can simply get the bean, get the object using bean factory reference. Okay, so now I have to cast this bean into my employee. Okay, and I have to give the name. Name is employee. Okay, and the type is employee. Okay, so I have created a bean here. Now to check whether we have created a bean or not, I need to check the method of this class. So how I can check? Using the employee class reference, that is employee. Now let me check set name. There's a method inside this class, set name. So I'm setting the name as, what to say, Rahul. Okay, so Rahul name I want to set. Saved. Now what I will do, I will employee get name. String s is equals to employee get name. This way I should do? No, I won't do this way. I will do what I'll do. Employee dot show. I will call the show method that will show the name if it is set or not. Okay, so let's run this program. Now is the main method here. Test. See, I have set the Rahul using the set method, and after that using show method I'm printing the name which I have set during this statement, in this statement. Okay, so this way Spring works. First you need to configure the bean ID and bean class in this XML file, beans.xml. You can give any name to this XML file, that doesn't matter. And then we have to, before that we have to create employee class for which we need to create a bean. So that is a simple POSO, no extend or implementation of any class, just a simple POSO. And then we need to have a main class, the class which has main method, and in that we need to create an object of bean factory. Okay, so inside the bean factory we need to pass the path of XML file. Okay, this will load the XML file and then it will create the bean. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Next tutorial we will learn some more concept about bean factory. Thanks for watching.